Hey, ask me a question again.
What kind of question?
No, what was the question you would ask me?
I don't know, man. It's too long ago.
Oh, I went to McDonald's today, right? Yesterday, actually last night. And I ordered 2 McDoubles. Add extra mayo. Add extra mayo to McDoubles. And this lady, so I start to walk off, okay. So I start to walk off. After she gives me the cup. After I order the food. And then she starts bagging this cup on the counter, right? So I'm just like, so I just keep walking to go sit down and wait for my food, right? And this dude's like, "Hey, mister," but I'm just like, I didn't order no meal, so I ain't getting no cup. So I walk, and I sit down. Well, they said, "Hey, man," again, and I was like, so I turned around this time, and this lady, she's banging the cup on the counter, like, "Come get this cup," and I'm like, okay, then I guess I'm gonna get this cup, because they obviously want me to get this cup. So I go get this cup, right? And I get this cup, and then I go get me something to drink. You know what I'm saying? Like, I went, and then I went and, like, filled it up and everything at the little thing, like, the suicide drinks. And I drank it, and I even went back and got a refill. They never said shit. So is McDonald's just giving free cups away, or what? Was this bitch just stupid? I mean, I need to know. Okay, leave your comments. Thank you and goodbye.